Snapdragon 8 Elite, smarter power, longer battery life. Introduction: the new era of power efficiency. Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite isn't just about speed, it's about smarter power. This new chipset is designed to give your phone a significant boost in battery life, even while delivering top-tier performance. By combining efficient hardware with advanced energy management, the Snapdragon 8 Elite marks the beginning of a new era in mobile efficiency. Core efficiency improvements. At the heart of this improvement lies a smarter CPU and GPU architecture. The CPU now consumes 35% less energy, while the GPU operates 20% more efficiently. Together, they ensure your phone stays cool and efficient, even when running demanding apps or games. This means more screen time, less charging time, and smoother performance all around. Power that lasts even in action. Efficiency doesn't stop when performance ramps up. During heavy tasks like gaming, 4K video editing, or multitasking, the Snapdragon 8 Elite continues to draw less power compared to its predecessor. It maintains high frame rates and fast processing, but at a fraction of the power cost. So you can push your phone harder, and still enjoy extended battery life. Intelligent energy optimization. The Snapdragon 8 Elite's real secret lies in its intelligent energy management. Qualcomm's platform-wide AI optimizes how power is distributed, whether you are browsing, streaming, or on a video call. It even adjusts performance based on your usage habits, allocating power dynamically to where it's needed most. The result: smooth performance and reduced battery drain across every function of your smartphone. Proven results. Early real-world tests speak for themselves. The Snapdragon 8 Elite provides an average of 18% longer battery life compared to the previous generation. And in some mixed-use scenarios, the gains are even higher. This means more hours of streaming, gaming, or capturing memories, without constantly worrying about running out of power. Summary: power meets endurance. To summarize, the Snapdragon 8 Elite delivers powerful performance with remarkable efficiency. A CPU that uses 35% less energy, a GPU that's 20% leaner, and an average of 18% longer battery life, all powered by smarter energy management. This isn't just an upgrade, it's Qualcomm's bold step toward a future where performance and endurance finally go hand in hand.